Hey guys, I'm Rob. This is Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and today is, well, another update. Just doing some filming here, getting at this front end. We've been really struggling with rust. Now it's in way better condition than the red one, but we did get all the IFS out so that we can put in the front diff, Scout 2, just for a reminder. So we're getting at that. Got all the carpets out on that. I am just getting the rear in here. I'm going to clean it up, and then I'll be putting the 513s in there. Got the rings and pinions over there in those two white boxes, and some bearings, but kind of wanted to show you guys this one. So I actually got this a while ago, but I never showed you guys or anything. So these are my new, I'm not going to take them out of the box, but these are my new gears for my transfer case. I opted for the 4.24 to 1 gear reduction, and then I got these set of twin sticks. Those are the boots and other parts and stuff like that. Just all the hardware, I guess, and the plate. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. It is going slow. You know, I'm hoping that the we also got off the hood and two front fenders off the old buggy. That's why this is called a 2.0 for those of you just joining in. We had a red one like this, and it was front and rear dovetailed, and but it was just too far gone. So I am taking these. The hood took me a long time. The fenders aren't really that bad, but they're already made. They were fine. So I'm just going to use those, and then I can kind of, you know, get back at this. But yeah, it's a lot of cutting. It's a lot of like up here. I got to take out this cross member, but it was just easier to cut off the A-arm at that point. I was having a hard time getting, I think somebody replaced these with some super strong bolts, because like my Sawzall was doing nothing, like dulling blades pretty much. So I don't know. I ended up just cutting them off, and I got to take out the cross member anyways, and then I got to move it forward and put another one in. But we got drive shafts out and all that jazz. I do have another T-case for the lower gears in the T-case. You have to use a 91 and up, and so, you know, most of mine are 89. The red one over there is an 89, and we have one second gen, and then the X90. So yeah, just figured I'd take a break and give you guys a little bit of an update on how everything's going. Oh, we also got like tank out and all that jazz, getting ready for that rear end to come out. And as we do that, well, then, you know, other stuff starts happening. And like I said, we are, well, doing this out of a shed. So it's, you know, it's slow, but, you know, it works. But that's it today, guys. Like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. And we will get more out to you. The actual video for this will be coming out soon. As you can see, I've got even my laptop sitting on top of my compressor, and you can see how far that's done. So, you know, it takes a while. But I figured that I'd just give updates while I'm doing the video, and then, you know, at least you guys can see some progress and whatnot. And like I said, I'm still building on this trailer. It's the only level spot I got around here, so what can you do? All right, guys, that's it. Take her easy. We'll talk to you next time. Have a good weekend.